Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1103, that is 1103, and today's topic is the important role of indole 3 acetic acid, that is known as commonly IAA hormone, that is plant hormone. And this hormone therapy is nowadays getting lot of attention, and due to this plant hormone therapy, lot of production of different crops people are getting, and nowadays it is widespread in Indian agriculture, rural area. But here I have noticed, especially in Borno state, that plant hormonal therapy is not widely used, and especially this one that is called indole 3 acetic acid. And this hormone is a routine hormone and is very effective to the vegetables which are grown here. Mainly it is onion as well as tomatoes and some other vegetables, especially in onion. The reason is that this indole acetic acid hormone that is known as IAA group of hormones, plant hormones. They are also commonly called as phytohormones. Phyto means plant. And if I say hormone, plant hormone, it is divided into two. One is called natural plant hormone, that is IAA, and the second one is synthetic one. So the natural ones are like that is indole 3 acetic acid. Second one is indole 3 propanoic acid, one more carbon is there, and third one is phenyl acetic acid, PAA, IAA, and that is I3, PA, that is propanoic acid. So these three are, that is known as auxin group of plant hormones. They are very effective in three things. First, that it will multiply lot of root. So first thing is that it will multiply a lot of root. So root multiplication will be there, and then plant is the growth of the cells, and also the cell division will be more, and those cells will be elongated. So in that case, when the cells are becoming bigger size, so it will provide lot of big surface area for photosynthesis, that is for photosynthesis. And with this photosynthesis, once the large area is provided because of the enlargement of the cells, that is plant cells, and it will provide more surface, more synthesis, means more food is manufactured and it is stored here, and already a lot of root is here. So once the bulb is forming here, the bulb size, like if it is onion, the size of the bulb will increase drastically. And in the same way, the growth of tomatoes and its flowering and fruit, there will not be falling of the flower if the hormone is okay, and there will not be falling of the fruit, as well as the size will increase. And these plant hormones, I have already told you, it is found in natural form as well as in synthetic form. So in natural form, the most important one is, that is indole 3 acetic acid. And this indole 3-acetic acid, actually it is the derivative of tryptophan. Is an amino acid. And that amino acid contains one benzene ring, one 5-member ring with amino group, and carboxylic acid. So this IAA, that is what I am saying, that is indole 3-acetic acid. It is called IAA. So this IAA is actually one, it is benzene ring plus 5-member ring and plus carboxylic acid. So these three, condensations are there. It contains aromatic ring, that is benzene ring. It contains 5-member amino ring, and third one, which is attached, that is carboxylic acid, and that is together is called IAA, and it is a very, very powerful and important plant hormone, which is taking care of the growth of the plant, flowering, and multiplication of the roots, also the division of the plant cells will be increased, and also the enlargement of the plant cells. So all this growth and development of root and shoot, vegetative growth as well as root, they are very much increased, and in this way the productivity, either in the form of bulb as a storage, in the form of root or in the form of stem, will be increased, or if it is in the form of fruit or vegetable, will be drastically increased. And why these hormones are very important to check? Because I call it is a signal, is a chemical signal, is a chemical substance which gives the signal of the development of the plant, which gives the signal for the overall health and overall well-being of the plant, whether plant is healthy or not. And this hormone therapy nowadays, even for a human being also, is there if there is deficiency of some hormones, because all living things, whether it is plant or animals, lot of physiological, biochemical process are taken care by hormones. And so if there is deficiency of hormone, for example, if I take the example of human being, steroidal hormones are there, and these steroidal hormones, they are sex hormones, that is female sex hormone, that is called progesterone. If there is deficiency of progesterone, the behavior of the person will be different, or lady will be different. And if there is deficiency of testosterone, steroidal hormone, again the behavior will be different. So here in the case of plant also, and there are different type of hormones. Steroidal hormones are also there. Terpene, nucleus hormones are also there. That is sesquiterpene, bisaleric acid, and then ethylene in the form of gas. So these are all different type of hormones. They are responsible of first group of hormones. They are known as growth hormone. And the second group of hormones for plant, they are known as inhibitor hormone, or to controlling the stress of the plant. And they are terpenoidal and ethylene group of hormones, auxin group of hormones, and then cytokine group of hormones. They are growth hormones. So this hormone plays very, very important role in overall growth and productivity of plant. And it is high time for agriculturists to follow the hormone therapy in plant. And let me make it very clear, it needs little education for farmers, because hormone therapy is very sensitive in the sense that if there is increment of hormone, it may cause harm. The plant may be twisted or may be in different shape if the hormone is given in excess quantity. So in the case of this IAA hormone, that is indole 3 acetic acid, it is given that is 10 ppm concentration. 10 ppm concentration means that is if you dissolve that is 10 gram in 200 liter, 10 gram powder of IAA in 200 liter of water, it will be 10 ppm. If you dissolve 4 gram of powder of IAA, it will be 20 ppm. So usually if it is in liquid form and this your indole acetic acid, that is 3 indole acetic acid, is not soluble in water. It is soluble either in organic solvent, that is ethyl alcohol is the best solvent, or in potassium hydroxide solution. But to my understanding, the best solvent for IAA hormone, this plant hormone, phytohormone, best is ethyl alcohol. And prepare, that is 10 ppm solution, means you dissolve, that is 2 gram of powder of IAA in 200 liter of water, and then you just spray it in liquid form. And if it is in dust form, powdered form, then you prepare, that is 20 ppm. 20 ppm means 4 gram of powder, and you mix some a humic acid, that is brake material, which is very good substance as a fertilizer, and then you can use that quantity in 1 acre of land. 1 acre land, 1 acre land, or you can say it will be roughly equal to 4,000 square meter. So 4,000 square meter area. In that area, if you spray or in liquid form or solid form, that is enough to take care. And actually these plant hormones, IAA, auxin hormones, they are produced in plant itself. They are found in natural form. The reason is that sometimes because of weather condition, very much drastic condition, means sometimes summertime, sometimes very hot, sometimes there is no water. So in that condition, your plant, whether it is vegetable, onion, tomatoes, or any other one, they are not capable to produce enough hormones naturally. It's because of weather condition, it's because of climate condition, it's because of water problem. In that case, you will get the indication, because these hormones are just like chemical signals. After seeing the plant, you can understand that there is deficiency of hormone, and then you apply it. And it is widely available online, this hormone therapy of the plant. I will give some link so that you can request. And secondly, please don't go to any, I can say, the shop or person or any agent to supply hormone, because hormone therapy is very sensitive. It must not be adulterated, it must be in pure form. So best thing is that you go to reputed like Amazon or some other online reputed suppliers to request to supply these, and you have to apply if it is in liquid or solid form, make sure that your soil is having some humidity, some water content is there. Don't apply on dry soil, otherwise its effect will be reduced. The soil should be wet, should be humid, and I'm going to write some of the structures of these hormones. So here I have given all those categories, that is natural and synthetic ones, and that is I am discussing the IAA, that is indole 3 acetic acid. They are found in synthetic as well as natural form. Here I have given natural form, and natural form there are 3 types. One is IAA, that is indole 3 acetic acid. Second one is indole propanoic acid, and third one is phenyl acetic acid. So these 3 natural which are present in plant are synthesized once there is deficiency in the plant and you have to give from outside. So here number 1, IAA, that is your category of plant hormone, and these chemical compounds are very important for overall growth and development. Hormones are just like chemical signals for plants to allow growth in different parts of plant. They are also called phytohormones. Phyto means plant hormones, and phytohormones are as follows. That is, one is auxins, second one is abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is actually, it is sesquiterpene, and that is C15. Then cytokinins, ethylene, it is in gaseous form, just like the same carbon-carbon double bond. Then E is gibberellin, and F is that Brassione steroids, that is steroidal hormone. And here main I am discussing, which is very important and routine, we can say, plant hormone, and that covers lot of things, especially in onion and tomatoes. That is called auxin. And auxins are nothing but it is IAA, that is indole 3 acetic acid. Auxin is the simply IAA, that is indole 3 acetic acid, is very important plant growth and plant development hormone. And auxin molecules are found naturally in all plant tissues. And this hormone is called plant promoter of shoot, root, fruit, bulbs growth. Number 4, indole 3 acetic acid, IA, comes under plant growth category. That is actually, when I say plant growth category, there are 2 plant hormones. One is called growth hormone, other one is called stress and inhibitor hormones. So here auxin and this one abscisic acid, cytokinin and gibberellin, they are plant growth hormones, and ethylene and gibberellin, they are plant stress or inhibitor hormones. So there are 2 types of hormones, growth and inhibitors. That is also called stress hormone. That will take care of the stress of the plant. Comes under the plant growth category. Auxin, that is IAA, is found in natural form and also in synthetic form. The natural auxins occurring in the plants are called natural auxins like IAA, that is indole 3 acetic acid. The second one is IPA, that is indole propanoic acid, and third one is called PA, that is phenyl acetic acid. So here I have given the how to apply this auxin, that is IAA hormone, and their structures. So here the application of IAA plant hormone, always apply plant hormone in humid soil. IAA is found in powder form and it is not soluble in water, so you have to dissolve it in ethyl alcohol, and then you have to apply. And actually, once I am saying ethyl alcohol, means first little quantity dissolved in maybe 100 ml water, ethyl alcohol, and then mix it in 200 liter of water, and then you spray it, that is in liquid form. Once you are going for solid form, then you have to apply 20 ppm. Here it is, concentration should be 10 ppm, and if it is in solid form, then it should be 20 ppm part per million in solid state, and that is 4 gram in 200 kilogram of humic acid. Humic acid is nothing but it is a black humic material, that is called humic material, where all the rotten material is there, like some plant substance or others, just like fertilizer, that is humic material. Or you can mix with some soil, is no problem, and that is in 1 acre you have to apply, that is 4 gram in 200 kilogram of soil, and that is in 1 acre, means it is roughly 4,000 square meter. In that area you spray. And to get in pure form, because this is very important, because now there is lot of fraud in hormone therapy, plant therapy. So to get from, first you can apply here info@bakerandbaker.co.in, or you can go to this website www.bakerandbaker.co.in. Here, this is the structure of IAA, that is indole 3 acetic acid, 1, 2, 3, and 3 position there is carboxylic group. So there is one, this is aromatic ring, this is 5-membered ring with amino group, that is NH, and this is your carboxylic acid. So that is the skeletal nucleus of IAA, is called indole 3 acetic acid, and this indole 3 acetic acid is derivative of tryptophan amino acid. This is the structure of tryptophan amino acid. From that tryptophan amino acid, it is derived in the plant in the form of plant hormone. And the other one is, that is indole 3 butyric acid, that is called IBA hormone. And the other one is, that is called abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is actually sesquiterpene. Sesquiterpene means isoprene in it. 5 isoprene unit means C5H8. So this C5H8, 3 units are there, so it becomes C15. So C15 isoprene, 3 isoprene units are there in that abscisic acid, and that is called ABA, and it is actually sesquiterpene. Then the other one is, that is called indole 3 propanoic acid. I have already told you these three, that is IA, then that is indole propanoic acid, indole butyric acid. So it is indole propionic acid, that is IPA, and then it is your phenyl acetic acid, that is PAA. Here the structure is given. So all this structure of plant or phytohormone is given, and they are under auxins. And auxin means AII, IA means indole 3 acetic acid group, and they are growth hormone, and they are very, very important for plants. If it is noticed that naturally it is not manufactured within the plant itself, there is deficiency, then you have to apply from outside. I wish in general Nigerian farmers, vegetable farmers, they should not lose their crop and they should go for hormone therapy, because globally nowadays in all advanced countries we are going for hormone therapy. We are in digital age, marketing is not the problem. The link is given here, just matter of finger touch. You will get all the information, purchase it. They will even advise the percentage, all these things, but what I have given is very much authentic. According to it, you apply so that you are not going to lose the product. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.